My name is Ariat Lawal. I'll be discussing how Tesco manage its knowledge and innovation network. Tesco is leading the way in sustainable best practice. For instance, Tesco is making its way to achieve best customer satisfaction by introducing club cards and vouchers, and also finding solutions to real-life problems and sharing knowledge and innovation with their suppliers to reduce costs, both financially and to the environment. For example, Tesco is finding a way to reduce its carbon footprint, reducing food miles, and making sure all its products are ethically sourced and environmental friendly. Company like Tesco cannot deliver innovation on their own, and knowledge and ideas can't be done alone. Experts need to get involved when innovation and knowledge takes place, or else they won't be making most of the expertise and knowledge that exists through supply chain. In 2010, Tesco launched Tesco Knowledge Hub and Tesco Producer Network, which are dedicated to forging relationship between the retailer and its international producers, farmers and growers and suppliers. For instance, the UK largest retailer, Tesco, has expanded its cooperation with leading businesses communities to degree to launch the world largest online collaborations between retails and retail support suppliers. Tesco knowledge hubs are used for sharing customer insights and work hard together to improve their product quality, freshness, and flavors. The reason for this is that the pace of change is so fast, and the customer's offers needs to be so personal that Tesco needs to work with suppliers in order to provide Tesco's with goods and services even more closely. Tesco has appointed a Tensis group to develop and manage a single online sustainable community spanning to retailers' supply base. Tesco Supplier Network help Tesco suppliers and producers to drive sustainability across businesses by fostering collaborations and innovation among suppliers and producers. The Tesco Supplier Networks brings together the existing suppliers. The Tesco Producer Network, which serves fresh food producers, and the Tesco Knowledge Hub, which serves branded manufacturing and producing suppliers. For example, in an effort for reducing costs, waste, and the environmental impact of the product, Tesco has decided to increase its knowledge hub, which is already used by 750 members from 60 different organizations across more than 20 countries. Tesco PSC accepts that by working more closely with its suppliers, the UK largest supermarket owners will by 2020 cut percent of the carbon dioxide emission associated with all product sales.